messy masterpiece. Bee wants to paint her living room. She asks Lynn to help. Bee has a big bucket of blue paint on the floor.
Okay, so what color do we use?
This one, Summer Water. I looked at 19 blues at the paint store before I chose this one.
19? They all look the same, Bee.
They are not the same. Ocean Morning is very different from Summer Water.
They're all just blue.
Okay, I do not need your opinion on the color. I need your help to paint. Here is the plan.
Bee shows Lynn a paper with instructions.
You made a plan to paint a wall?
Yes. Step 1, put tape on the window. Step 2, paint from left to right.
I know how to paint, Bee. I paint motorcycles.
Lynn takes a big brush and paints very fast. She moves the brush in big circles. Paint goes everywhere. It goes on the wall, on the floor, and on Bee.
Stop! There is paint on my face and my hair. This is not the plan, Lynn.
I know. But Bee, look at the wall.
I do not want to look.
Just look.
Bee looks at the wall. The big circles of paint look like a beautiful blue sky with clouds.
I am very angry at you right now.
But the wall looks good, right?
Yes, it looks good, but I am still angry. And you are cleaning the floor.
That is fair. You're welcome.